Hello everyone. In this video I'm gonna teach you differences between a few, little and a little. So what's different between these two pair of words? Without wasting time, let's get started. Firstly, I'm gonna talk difference between a few and little a little. Grammatically, few or a few is followed by a plural noun. Different from a few, little or a little is followed by an uncountable noun. Next, I'm gonna explain the difference between few and a few. So what is different between these two words? Grammatically, a few means some or not many, but enough. So it is something about positive idea. Let's take a look at example. There are a few apples in the fridge. In this sentence, it means that there are some apples or there are not many apples in the fridge, but probably it is enough for me to eat. So I do not feel upset about that. Let's take a look at another example. I have a few friends. In this sentence, it means that I have some friends. Not many friends, but probably enough for me to have a very good time. I am not lonely, so I don't need to have some more friends. Okay, the last example is, there are a few eggs left. So in this sentence, it means that there are only some eggs, not many eggs left, but probably enough for cooking. Now I'm going to talk about few. So the word few without a, it means that some or not enough, or nearly empty, nearly no. So it is something about negative idea. Let's take a look at example. There are few apples in the fridge. There are few apples in the fridge. It means that there are some apples, but not enough for me to eat. I am upset about it. I need some more apple. Another example is, I have few friends. So in this sentence, it means that some friends, not enough friends. I have only some friends. So the number of friends that I have is not enough for me, and I feel lonely. I still need some more friends. The last example is, there are few eggs left. So in this sentence, it means that there are some eggs left, but not enough for cooking. So I don't feel good about number of eggs that I have. Once again, a few means some or not many, but probably enough. So it is used to talk about a positive idea. But few without a means some or not enough. It is used to talk about a negative idea. So example, I say I have few friends. It means that I don't feel good. The number of friends that I have is not enough for me to have a good time. I still need some more friends. If I say I have a few friends, it means that I have some friends or I don't have many friends, but the number of friends that I have is enough for me to have a good time. Okay, finally, I'm gonna talk about little and a little. What's different between these two words? Similar to few and a few, little and a little are used in the same way. A little means some or not much, but probably enough. Little means some or not enough. So a little is used to talk about positive idea, while little is used to talk about negative idea. Let's take a look at example. There is a little food in the fridge. It means that there is some food. Or there is not much food, but it is enough for me to eat. So it is fine to me to have the amount of food. The next example is I have a little money. If I say I have a little money, it means that I have some money, or I do not have much money, but it is fine to me. I'm not poor. The money is enough for me to live, so I'm not feeling upset about that. There is little food in the fridge. In this sentence, it means that there is some food, but not much enough for me to eat. So it is nearly empty, and I am feeling unhappy about that. The next example is I have little money. If I say I have little money, it means that I have some money, but not enough for me. I am poor. The money is not enough for me to live. So I don't feel good. The last example is we had to make a quick decision. There was little time to think. It means that we have some time, but not enough time to think. So I don't feel good about that. Right, so that's all for my explanation about little, a little, shoe and a shoe. The difference between these two pairs. Next part, you're gonna do exercises so that you can better understand and assess how much you have learned from this lesson.